What if you could promote your Whatnot live streams to people who are already buying in your niche instead of wasting time on random users? In this video, I'll show you a new hyper-targeted buyer mode that helps you reach high-intent buyers and promote your live streams more effectively. Simply choose the category you want to target, such as sports cards, jewelry, books, Pokemon, sneakers, or any other niche. The software automatically finds active live streams in that category, so you're always reaching the most relevant audience. Once a live stream is opened, the software monitors the activity in real time. It identifies users who are actively bidding, creating a list of buyers who are already engaged with products in your niche. This allows you to focus on potential customers instead of random accounts. After collecting the audience, the software automatically follows each user and sends your customized promotional message. You can invite them to your upcoming live stream, showcase new inventory, announce exclusive deals, or promote giveaways. Because the audience already has an interest in your category, your promotion becomes much more relevant. After processing one live stream, the software automatically moves to another active stream in the same category. It continues discovering new buyers throughout the session, allowing you to consistently reach fresh audiences without manually searching for them. This makes it ideal for promoting your live streams before you go live. Targets buyers instead of random users, works with any Whatnot category, promotes your live streams automatically, helps increase profile visits, bookmarks, and qualified traffic, saves hours of manual outreach. You can run this bot 24/7 if you want. Or, if you have a scheduled live stream, you can run it for 5 to 10 hours beforehand to build awareness and drive traffic before you go live. It continuously discovers new buyers throughout the day. That's the new hyper-targeted buyer mode. If you're looking for a smarter way to grow your Whatnot audience and promote your live streams, this feature is built for exactly that. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to get in touch.
If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.